YouTube. Thank you guys for liking, comment, subscribing. It's all free. I told you the last video I wasn't gonna do a deep cleaning, but I went on ahead and did a little cleaning. The deep cleaning would be me cleaning out everything at the bottom or cleaning all around the sides and everything like that. But as of right now, they have fish babies in there. They have fry, and they have these ones right here. They will eat the fry, so I try and keep it a little dirty, or I try and keep them where they can hide around the rocks and stuff like that. So I feed them more than I probably normally should. For the big goldfish will eat the real small goldfish, the baby goldfish.